Hello everyone, it's Miss Sarah. Are you ready for World Culture Wednesday? At San Diego Children's Discovery Museum, we love celebrating new countries and cultures. And today we are going to learn a little bit more about Australia. Australia is unique because it is both a continent and a country. Many special animals live there too, like kangaroos, wombats, kookaburras, and so many others. It is also known for some unique snacks. One of those snacks is called a pikelet, and it is like a small pancake. People enjoy them with different toppings to make them an extra sweet treat. And they are often enjoyed around tea time or lunch. Today, we are going to make our own pikelets together. So let's take a look and see what we'll need for this. For this recipe, you will need flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk and butter, and eggs. You will also need things from your kitchen, like measuring cups and measuring spoons, large bowls to mix in, and a large spoon to mix with. You will also need your stove and a pan to cook the pikelets. Let's get started. Step 1. Mix 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix those dry ingredients until combined. Step 2. In another bowl, beat together 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon melted butter. Step 3. Combine the liquid ingredients into your bowl of dry ingredients. Combine this until you have formed a batter. The mixture should be able to drop off of your spoon or spatula. If it's too thick, you can always add a little extra milk. Step 4. For this step, you will need an adult to help you out. Remember, it's important to stay safe when using a hot stove. Heat a lightly buttered pan and drop small spoonfuls of batter onto the hot pan. When bubbles start to form, you will know it's ready to flip over and cook on the other side.